How to efficiently clean your HVAC coils in Phoenix, Arizona by Hayes Cooling and Heating. It's very windy in the desert, and when you combine this constant hot wind with those pesky summer monsoon storms and haboobs, the results tend to seriously impact the performance of your HVAC system. A solution to this frequent problem is to learn how to clean HVAC coils in Phoenix so that your cooling system can work efficiently. If you have any issues with any of these steps, don't try to do this on your own. Contact a professional HVAC maintenance expert to handle the job. Step 1. Disconnect power to the HVAC unit. Most central AC units have a power shutoff box located near the unit. Before you take apart anything, make sure you shut power off to the system. If you can't find the shutoff box to your AC system, don't take the risk. Contact a professional HVAC contractor just to be on the safe side. Step 2. Clear plants or brush from around the HVAC unit. Before you take the HVAC system apart, you'll want to make sure that no debris enters the unit. Trim all flowers, grass, or any brush within a radius of at least 2 feet from the unit, and remove any loose trimmings. Step 3. Detach the outer case. Depending on what type of unit you have, a screwdriver or socket end wrench will be needed to loosen the bolts to accomplish this step. Always defer to the instruction manual. Step 4. Clean and lubricate the fan drive assembly. On top of an HVAC unit, there is a rotating fan known as the fan assembly. You'll want to clean this with either a clean rag or a shop vacuum to remove all loose dirt and debris from the fan. You should also apply some lubrication oil to the appropriate parts. However, it is recommended that a professional HVAC air conditioning service in Phoenix complete this step. Step 5. Remove dirt from coils. After cleaning the fan, you'll want to brush away some of the surface dirt from the air conditioner coils. The coils are located on the outside edge of the HVAC unit. A great tool for this is a shop vacuum or a dust brush. Step 6. Spray off coils with water. This step can be done in several ways. However, the easiest is to grab a hose with a high-pressure nozzle and spray the water on the coils from the inside, pointed to the outside. This will remove compacted dirt from the air conditioner coils. There are some biodegradable foam cleaners that you can use, but it's recommended to let professionals handle this step. Step 7. Dry off coils and reassemble the unit. You'll want to let the coils air dry for about 30 minutes, then reassemble the entire unit. After everything is put back the way it's supposed to be, turn on the power to the HVAC unit and monitor it for proper use. Learning how to clean AC coils in Phoenix can be very simple with this easy 7-step process. However, it is a job that should be completed by a professional, not only for safety, but also to ensure the air conditioner coils are properly cleaned, maintained, and ready to combat heat. If you're having problems or would like to have a professional clean your AC coils, then give the experts at Hayes Cooling and Heating a call at 602-482-0229. It pays to call Hayes.